A beautiful story, actually. It's almost a fairy tale. You look for your dream to have a beautiful house, and I was thinking of a cottage, actually. And on a Sunday morning, I was living a country life, and I saw this house, and it did something to me. I arrived at the Manoir, rusty gates. That's the charm, the beauty of this house, this grand little drive. Everything was so beautiful, the yellow Oxford stone, and I fell completely in love.
Raymond's secret to training, I think he's so passionate, he's so creative. Hi there, I'm Luke Selby, executive chef here at Manoir aux Quat'Saisons. We work really closely with the garden team, with the organic garden, so that's where everything really starts. We have a meeting kind of once a week that me and the senior team will discuss what's coming up, what's growing, what we need to look at, changing the menu to. So we're really in tune with the seasons, and we have an amazing team here.
And Raymond will be the first one to tell you that if you grow good flavoured produce, then a chef's going to create something great from it.
I work closely with my gardeners forever, because that's what my mum taught me, and food was an act of love.